In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the email footer in Mailchimp. The footer is the small section at the bottom of every email that typically includes your company information, an unsubscribe link, and a few default placeholders. It's important because it helps your emails look professional and stay compliant with email regulations that require things like a physical mailing address and a clear way to opt out. Start by opening Mailchimp and logging into your account. Once you're in, look to the top menu and click Audience. This takes you to the area that manages the people you email. From here, choose Settings within your selected audience. This is where you control the defaults that apply across your messages, so any changes here help you keep everything consistent. Scroll down the Settings page until you find Email Settings, which is labeled as Audience-Wide Defaults. Inside this section, look for the option called Required Email Footer Content and click Edit. This is the editor where you'll adjust what appears in the footer for emails sent from this audience. In the editor, you can customize your company name and address. Make sure these are accurate and complete, including any suite numbers or regional details that help identify your business location. A valid physical address is typically required for compliance and helps build trust with your subscribers. You'll also see default placeholders. These are dynamic merge tags that Mailchimp swaps out automatically. For example, current year updates to the present year every time your email goes out. And list company loves pulls the company name tied to your audience settings. Keep these in place where they make sense to avoid manual updates later. If you see additional placeholders provided by Mailchimp, leave them intact unless you have a clear reason to change them, since many are designed to maintain required content like unsubscribe or profile update links. If you want to include extra text, this is the place to add brief disclaimers, legal notes, or a short line that reflects your brand voice. Keep it concise and easy to read. Aim for a simple structure: company name, address, and one or two short lines, so the footer supports your message without overwhelming it. When your edits look good, click Save to apply the changes. From now on, your campaigns associated with this audience will use the updated footer by default, helping you stay consistent and compliant across every email you send.